Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Time to win. Golden words said by Dale Carnegie, which I liked. Dr. Ravi Tandon. Your victory is waiting here. Just step in. This particular lumber was white pine, and I know the inspector was thoroughly shocked in hardwoods that but not a competent, experienced inspector on white pine. White pine happened to be my own strong suit. But did I offer any objection to the way he was grading this lumber? None whatever. I kept on watching and gradually began to ask questions as to why certain pieces were not satisfactory. I did not for one incident or instant insinuated that the inspector was wrong. I emphasized that my only reason for asking was in order that we could give the firm exactly what they wanted in future shipments. By asking questions in a very friendly, cooperative spirit and insisting continually that they have right in laying out boards not satisfactory to their purpose, I got him worn up, and the strained relations between us began to thaw and melt away. An occasional carefully put remark on my part gave birth to the idea in his mind that possibly some of these rejected pieces were actually within the grade, but they had brought and that their requirements demanded a more expensive grade. I was very careful, however, not to let him think I was making an issue of this point. Gradually, his whole attitude changed. He finally admitted to me that he was not experienced on white pine and began to ask me questions about each piece as it came out of the car. I would explain why such a piece came within the grade specified, but kept on insisting that we did not want him to take it if it was unsuitable for their purpose. He finally got to the point where he felt guilty every time he put a piece in the rejected pile, and at last he saw that the mistake was on their part for not having specified as good a grade as they needed. The ultimate outcome was that he went through the entire carload again after again. I left, accepted the whole lot, and we received a check in full. In that one instance alone, a little tact and the determination to refrain from telling the other man he was wrong saved my company a substantial amount of cash, and it would be hard to place a money value on the good will that was saved. The magical sentence you should spell daily in life to achieve success. I will do it. Only I can do it. Please subscribe our channel and click on the link given in this description box to listen this full chapter voice in a single clip.